So now we're gonna unbox a gaming monitor from Dell, which is the DELL G2724D. Here is the basic specs: fast IPS, 1440p at 165Hz. I got this monitor for 320 Canadian dollars. And this monitor has HDR 400 BESA certified. Easy adjustability, you can change the height and rotate the power for different viewing angle. This monitor supports one HDMI and two display ports for maximum refresh rates. And this monitor supports G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium, allows you to play without screen tearing. So now we gotta unbox this monitor. Let's check the controls. And here's the image quality. And here's the gaming performance we tested in the Valorant.